pinag-usapan sa meeting, kinausap ni Prosec how we are faring, nasaan na tayo sa kaso. And it is good that it comes from the horse's mouth na talagang galing sa kanila kung ano na. Kasi meron ring mga disinformation sa amin na nakakarating din sa kanila. And of course, yung iba pag legal mind ang nag-explain kung ano na yung status ng ating kaso. Merong ibang nag-ano rin na wala na yun, nakalimutan na yun, hindi na. And I keep on explaining to them na due process naman kasi talaga. Pag due process, lahat ng gustong mag-avail ng legal remedy, ginagawa rin nila na mag-avail talaga. So, minsan hindi yan naiintindihan pag hindi yung legal person ang nagsasabi. Kaya we were happy when Prosec Dong told us na i-meet kami so that ma-update sila kung ano na at kung may mga questions sila, masasagot din niya.
Tama po kung schedule tayo yung trial po?
Yes po, tama po.
Ano pinaasahan na inyo po?
The pre-trial is the beginning of the real battle na talaga, no? Kumbaga kung sa round 12, tapos na tayo sa round 1, we are about to go to round 2. And tinanong kami ni Prosec kung gaano kami ka-prepared, ka-ready na ipagpatuloy. Talagang we give our commitment na laban namin ito. They're just there to assist us kasi sila yung, it's their duty to assist us. Pero laban namin ito. And we assured him na talagang all the way, we will be fighting this battle.
How is the situation? Kayo po nag-request from you or you were apprised of the
meron kaming mga clarification na ni-raise sa kanya and gusto namin na ma-answer din na yung kasi hindi lang ako, marami ang may mga tanong din. So, it's better na makausap namin siya.
Kaya magpo-1 year na yung since that the Supreme Court decision namin sa governorship, tapos magpo-1 year na rin yung anniversary ng attack. How is the situation in the province?
Kaya kailangan bantayan pa rin. Naniniwala kami na Arnie is still out. No? He has not returned yet and nandun pa rin yung mga tao nila na nananakot. Pero hindi rin sila makagalaw ng insakto ngayon because they know that the eyes of the government is on them. So if it will be that way, then siguro talaga there will be peace will really be truly experienced by the people. Lalo na kung talagang nakauwi na si Congressman Teves, mapapanagot na siya, and magkakaresulta yung pinaglalaban namin.
Ang comment dun sa cancellation ng passport?
That's very good news to us. No? In fact, talagang napaiyak kami doon na minsan iniisip rin namin na the cancellation of the passport goes to show na talagang his world has really become smaller. And with that, we are very hopeful na talagang maihatid siya, makauwi siya, at mapapanagot siya.